Hi, my name is Austin, here to introduce MAKTRAK, the next generation in modular storage. The MAKTRAK system will change the way workers transport, access, store, and organize their tools and equipment. I'm going to walk you through the unique features of the extra large extension toolbox, the deepest box in the MAKTRAK system, that make it stand out from every other system in the market. The MAKTRAK system is engineered to open any box without unstacking. The dual-hinged lid can open from either side or be completely removed. The track mount lid with one-hand latch release can be attached in either direction. The cleat mount system horizontally connects to the front of the rolling tool chest. The glove-friendly latches provide easy access while wearing bulky gloves. Large comfort grip handles provide plenty of room to grab with larger hands. The added depth is ideal for fitting oversized tools and accessories. The lid has multiple mounting points for more interior organization using number 10 screws. The storage tray is designed to fit multiple batteries, charger, and more. The hidden security tracker slot fits common tracking devices for additional security. The lids can be secured through a metal reinforced padlock eyelet. MAKTRAK is more than just a stackable toolbox system. It's the next generation in modular storage that's engineered for superior transportation, access, storage, and organization.